Such a great outfit in full. A buffer vest with legging, a buffer jacket with jeans. Hi everyone, Princess Mook here. Today I'd like to share with you some fashion tips how to style buffer jackets and buffer vests in many different ways. Let's start. Let's begin with a beige buffer jacket. I really love this color in, buffer jackets because it goes really well with almost all colors. You can pair a high neck sweater with a buffer jacket and jeans. This is, a great combination, guys. Not to mention that you can style this beige buffer jacket with black legging, beige and black. These colors are exceptional together, and you can finish this look with a black bag and black boots. Such a great outfit in winter. What about a buffer vest? Along the same line, you can style your lovely buffer vest with a high neck sweater and black legging. The same exact way that, I styled a buffer jacket. Complement this outfit with a black bag and black boots. So the first style that you can pair a buffer jacket or a buffer vest with a high neck sweater. What else? Not a fan of sweaters? No pressure. You can wear a buffer vest with a shirt. This is, another chic outfit. You have different options to choose from. And you can pair black legging or jeans as you want it. You can finish such an outfit with a black bag and black boots. This is a very simple outfit, but it's so chic. You can wear such an outfit in fall if it's not freezing cold outside. Another option to style with a buffer vest is a checked shirt or a flannel shirt. And this is another great combination between the buffer vest and, the checked shirt. And you can pair black legging with such an outfit, and you can finish this look with a black bag and black boots. Not to mention that you can style the buffer vest with a denim shirt. This look is awesome. Look, guys, you can, wear, a buffer vest with a denim shirt and jeans. This is awesome. This is, despite the fact that this look is so simple, but it's so chic and trendy. And you know what? Jeans will never be out of style. They are, trendy and fashionable all the time. In my opinion, I advise you to purchase a beige buffer jacket or a beige buffer vest because beige is awesome, goes really well with almost all colors, beige or black. So, for example, you can purchase a beige buffer vest and a black buffer jacket because you don't find any difficulties, any struggles styling beige or black. What about the bronze buffer jacket? What about this color? How can you style it? Well, from my perspective, I really love to style the bronze buffer jacket with white. I fall in love with this combination between, these colors, bronze and white. This is exceptional, guys. This is an outstanding outfit. You can finish this look with a white bag and white boots. Of course, you can wear the bronze buffer jacket with a high neck sweater. This is another great, style. And instead of just wearing a buffer jacket and jeans, you can, wear a high neck sweater under your buffer jacket. As I said, the combination between bronze and white is exceptional, but that does not mean that you cannot style, bronze with blue jeans. Guys, if you don't have white jeans, blue jeans are also exceptional. They are trendy, fashionable, and they can go easily with almost, any colors. So here I styled, the buffer jacket, the bronze buffer jacket with blue jeans. You don't need to think when it comes to black buffer jackets because black is awesome. This color is like magic. This color goes really well with almost all colors. You can, bear the black buffer jacket with jeans, with legging, in any color because black, I really love black. This is an awesome color to pair with. You have many different options. You can style black with, white jeans. You can style, black with blue jeans. You can style black with black. Any colors. And that's what I like about black buffer jackets. They are easy to style. Ladies, add a touch to your outfit. What about a classic hat like this one? Because, a black buffer jacket or a black buffer vest, is awesome, I advise you guys to purchase black. I advise you guys to purchase a black buffer jacket or a black buffer vest because black goes really well again with almost all colors. You don't need to think about what should you wear with black. A gray buffer jacket and, a sweet gray scarf. This is a very trendy outfit. So I really love the combination between black legging and a gray buffer jacket. Such a great outfit in winter, and I really, love to add a scarf to my outfit to dress up the look. So guys, do the same exact thing because really I adore such an outfit. You can finish this look with a black bag and black boots. Also, styling navy jeans with gray, is awesome. So if you're not a fan of legging, then you can wear jeans. So you can style a buffer jacket with, your lovely scarf and jeans. Complement this outfit with a black bag and black boots. Sometimes I'd love, to style a belt instead of, a scarf. So here, for example, I add a belt to my outfit to dress up the look, and I can pair jeans. Such a monochromatic outfit, can give you some extra inches, especially if you are short or petite. Really love, that this outfit is great, that this outfit is a monochromatic outfit and can give a petite girl some extra inches, and this belt is awesome. But if you're a petite girl, try skinny belts instead of wide belts. A navy buffer jacket, maybe navy or this color appears black on camera, but it's not. In fact, this is navy. So the navy buffer jacket, of course, you can pair it with navy jeans, navy with navy. Such a great combination. And you can finish this look with dark brown boots and a chocolate brown bag. What about the navy buffer vest? The same exact thing, the same exact style. You can wear a vest with a high neck sweater and jeans. Complement this outfit with dark brown boots and, chocolate brown bag. I really love this outfit, but if you're not a fan of high neck sweaters, again, you can wear a striped shirt instead of a high neck sweater. Undoubtedly, you can add a v-neck sweater to your shirt and, of course, navy jeans. Complement this outfit also with dark brown boots and a chocolate brown bag. Another option is styling a chic shirt with the navy buffer vest and navy jeans. You can complement such an outfit with a red bag and black boots. Look, guys, at this, masterpiece. I really adore this buffer jacket, and I wear it whenever it's, freezing cold outside, when I can see my breath, to be honest with you, because it warms me. Yes, it warms me up. I really, really love it, and I love the combination between, green and white. Look at that, guys. White with green. This is awesome. Sometimes I'd love to add a belt to my outfit, and instead of white jeans, guys, I have many options to choose from when it comes to buffer jackets and buffer vests. Look at this. I can pair, green with jeans, blue jeans, navy jeans, or even white jeans. So different options to choose from with this awesome buffer jacket. I can wear many pieces under such a great buffer jacket. Let's prove it. Let's see how many pieces can I wear under, my lovely buffer jacket. So here I have a shirt. Guys, you see a sweater. So here I have a shirt, a sweater. What else? So this is the third piece. So I have three pieces now. The first one is a shirt, the second one is a white sweater, and the third one is a purple sweater. Let's see. This is the green buffer jacket. Words fail me. I really, really fell in love with this great buffer jacket. So here, the buffer jacket, and under this buffer jacket, I have three pieces. I can add, many pieces under this, magical piece. Finally, this is a buffer coat, or it's a freezing cold. I can pair it with jeans, or even, any blue jeans, white jeans, black jeans. Really, really love it. And I can finish this look with a black bag and black boots. Guys, let me know in the comments below which outfit do you like the most, which color do you like the most when it comes to buffer jackets and buffer vests. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in watching more videos about beauty and fashion, subscribe to my YouTube channel Princess Mock and follow me on Instagram where I post daily outfits. I'll leave, my Instagram account in the description down below, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.